Look how much it lights up the bed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh my God. Look at that. The entire bed lit up. Hey guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be testing out the Lasfit LED lighting compared to my F150 LEDs. All right, so a huge shout out to Lasfit for sending me out these cargo lights. I already have F150 LEDs in there, so we're gonna do a test comparison to see which one's brighter, and which one has better output, all that. So when I go ahead and unlock this truck, it's kind of hard to see in the daylight, but at nighttime I'll make another video later on. But as you can see, I have my F150 LED cargo lights and the third brake light. I also have F150 LEDs for the map lights here. It's kind of hard to pick up since it's light outside, but it's a lot brighter in person than it is on camera right now. So we're gonna switch them out. I'm gonna do just the right side with the Lasfit, and then we'll see which one's more bright and which one has better light output. Then we'll do a video tonight comparison on how it really looks to see if you should go with Lasfit or F150 LEDs. All right, so it's super easy to take this third brake light out. What you're gonna do is get a 7mm ratchet. You're gonna go ahead and unbolt all these real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and take all these out real quick. All right, so this should be able to just pop out right now, just like that. All right, so there we go, it's pop out. So let's go ahead and just take out this one right here. This is the right side one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this, pull that one out. And that is the F150 LED bulb. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that one out. And let's go ahead and swap that one with the Lasfit bulb. So go ahead and put that one in. All right, so that bulb is nice and in now. Let me go ahead and unlock the truck, turn it on. And as you can see, it lights up right here, nice and bright. And they're really bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that. And there you go. Now it's both turned. So we're gonna go ahead and put this up. Go ahead and put this back in here like that, and then we'll test it out and see which one's brighter. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on. See how it's looking. All right, so this is it on, and it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I feel like the Lasfit is brighter than the F150 LEDs. Does it look like that, or am I just tripping? Let me go down here. So it kind of looks like this is a little bit more light output than that one. On camera, it's kind of hard to tell, but in person, it definitely looks like it's brighter. And I think it's because the light output is coming straight out here on this side versus that one's going more wide. So when you look at the lights here, there's the Lasfit bulb, and the F150 LEDs has LEDs around the bulb, but this one that's shining straight into my eye is what's making it look brighter. But there's more LEDs on the F150 LEDs, but the Lasfit one seems to be brighter, and I think it's because that LED is shining straight out versus this one doesn't have one shining out. And that's why when I turn it on, it looks like it's brighter, and it could be brighter, but in camera it's very, very hard to tell. That definitely looks brighter than that one from right here. I think it is. All right, let's go ahead and take it out again. Let's go ahead and replace the other one with the other Lasfit lighting. So same thing, we're just gonna go ahead and twist this, pull this one out. We'll take our Lasfit LED. And this is what I was talking about. The LED right here is portraying out, which is giving it that appearance that it's brighter. Versus this one, the F150 LED doesn't have doesn't have that LED right there. It may have more LEDs in general, but the way the light output is, I think the Lasfit is taking the win. Let's go ahead and install the last one. And bam. Yeah, they definitely are brighter, 100%. Can't wait to see what these look like at night. So let's fast forward to nighttime. All right, so here we go. Super, super bright. Like, it's blinding my eyes how bright they are. You can't really, it looks orange, or it looks like a yellow tint to it. It's not yellow, it's white, but wow, it's really bright. If you look right into it, look how much it lights up the bed. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh my God. Yeah, that's really, look at that. The entire bed lit up. You can see right here. So Lasfit, definitely brighter than the F150 LEDs. Super glad they sent those out. So if you are checking to see which ones are brighter, Lasfit is definitely brighter. Thank you, Lasfit, for sending me out these cargo lights. And if you're wondering what I've done to this truck, I have a link in the description of every mod done to the truck so far. And other than that, y'all, we will catch you in the next video. Peace.
Everything that happens is motivation.